Hi again, it's Cindy, the Scrapologist on Etsy. I'm here with another flip through. It's another little folio made by my mother. I'm excited to show it to you. It's awfully adorable. It's, I don't know the name of the paper, but it's got an elastic closure that comes off with a little flower on it. And then it opens. And here's the bottom page. Adventures ahead, enjoy the ride. Oops, sorry. Puppy's taking after the cat. And then all it is just a real nice, simple little place to put some photos. You can add certainly a lot more photos, but there are some journaling spots and some photo mats already made for you in the album. And then the last one. And then they all just set back right in here with whatever other goodies you want to add. Close it up. Put the closure back on. And you've got a beautiful little gift or something just to carry around in your briefcase that shows all your family photos. Thanks for watching. Head on over to my Etsy shop, The Scrapologist on Etsy. Thanks!